What's up guys, it's your girl Amber K, and today I'm going to be doing a little DIY video. Yes, with these two chairs and this computer desk. They look horrible, but we're gonna fix them up. So right here I tried to tape down the trash bag, but it didn't work out because the wind was blowing and those tapes are cheap. So I'm gonna use this metallic finish spray paint. The cover looks kind of bronzish goldish, but when you spray it on, it's kind of rose gold. Right here the bag was not cooperating, so I just removed it and kept it pushing. So this does not look like the color on the spray can cover. I don't know. So right here, these screws are different because I don't have the type of screwdriver to unscrew the seat. So I just went ahead and sprayed it. I was trying to cover the wheels for the computer desk with those same tape, those copper tapes, and it did not work out because they're really thin. And I thought I was gonna be doing something, and I actually didn't. I got tired and I was like, I don't have time for this, so I took them off. So I just went ahead and used a piece of paper to cover the wheels and just sprayed the computer desk, and we are done. As I was getting to the bottom piece of the computer desk, I ran out of spray paint. So I had to go all the way back to Walmart and get me another can. Now I'm going to be doing a little something with this mirror. By the way, all these things that I'm using, I got it from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. I'm using the copper tapes, the copper color tapes, whatever you want to call them, and I'm outlining the mirror with them. Put pearls on each corners. The result of this, I did not like it. It didn't turn out great to me. So I'm going to use this fabric to cover the two chairs and the top of the computer desk. Here, I'm cutting it. This thing is really soft, but once you touch it, it sheds. So yet along I'm cutting it is going to even shed more. Gorilla Glue is awesome. They just need to sell a bigger bottle. So now on to the computer desk. I'm going to use the same fabric and put it on top of there. I was thinking about adding a piece of fabric to the top part of the chair. Maybe it'll look better. I ran out of the Gorilla Glue liquid, so now I'm going to use my glue gun with the Gorilla Glue sticks. So all you have to do is glue and press. Glue and press. It's very easy. And the same thing goes for this little chair. So here's the mirror. It looks kind of tacky, I know, but I put that fabric thing around it. That's for another day. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and there'll be more DIY videos.